With so many people working from home today, it's important that we actually remember cleanliness at our own workstations. So as you can see here, this is my area that I generally tend to work at. And obviously I've got a keyboard, a mouse, I've got my monitors and a few other bits and pieces. And we touch these things on a regular basis, and that can actually be a breeding ground for a lot of germs. And so what I'm going to do today is to show you how to clean up your workstation area. Let's begin. Using the wipes and the blower, we're going to go ahead and start working on the keyboard. You want to make sure that your keyboard is switched off and any of the other electrical devices. You're using the blower to get rid of any of the dust and any of the crumbs that might be on there. And then we're going to proceed with the wipes, being very careful because we are working with delicate electronics. So you want to try to get in between where possible, the keys that are actually on there, and definitely on top of the actual buttons. And that's the same for the mouse, as well as any other electronic devices that are on your desk. So once we've done that, we're literally going to go ahead and remove all the different items that are on there, and we're going to give the desk a nice wipe down. This is to ensure that we can get into all the areas that we need to get into with quick and easy access. Well, as you can see, we've now got a nice, tidy and clean desk that hopefully we've killed a few of the nasties. The one last thing that we might want to do as well is that we probably spend a little bit too much time on these. So yes, the Humble mobile phone, approximately 3 hours per day for the average individual. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this is also nice and clean by grabbing another wipe and ensuring that this is also cleaned and nicely wiped off, ready for the next use, so we know that we're not spreading any nasties.